What if the next big streaming platform is being built right now? The video streaming market is set to exceed $610 billion by 2032, and the opportunity behind it is growing faster than ever. Millions are streaming daily, and niche platforms are scaling fast, proving that users are no longer limited to just big entertainment giants. So now the question is, are you prepared to capture this opportunity? So let's move ahead and discuss more about the opportunity and how to build one. What is a video streaming app? It is a digital platform that enables content streaming online with no downloading required, allowing users to watch content in real time, no waiting for showtimes, and offering smooth playback across devices like mobile, web, desktop, and more. Understanding key features behind streaming apps is essential before proceeding with the development process. Seamless user registration, content discovery, personalized recommendations, HD video streaming, and secure payment options are the key features that keep users watching and coming back. How to build a video streaming app in 2026. Step 1. Define your business goals and requirements. It starts with understanding your audience, choosing the content type, and planning revenue model early. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Next, decide where your users are, whether that's Android, iOS, web, or smart TV. Step 3. Design the UI/UX interface. Ensure a design that has easy navigation, fast content discovery, and fewer clicks to play a video for a better viewer experience. Step 4. Plan tech stack and streaming technology. Plan for API integrations and cloud infrastructure to ensure smooth performance, HD playback, fast loading, and stable streaming at scale. Step 5. Develop and deploy the video streaming app. Start with app development, bug fixes, performance optimization, and preparing for the app launch across all platforms. How much does video streaming app development cost? The cost ranges from $25,000 to $150,000 or more. The final investment depends on key cost drivers such as features, platforms, live streaming capabilities, and security requirements. The market is growing fast, but can your platform stand out? With JPLoft, an experienced video streaming app development company backed by 15 plus years of experience, 130 plus experts, and over 1,100 digital solutions delivered, you can turn your idea into a scalable video streaming platform. Take your next step, book a free strategy call through the link in the description, and subscribe for more insights on AI products, startups, and app development.